Let's walk through 10 RMT Kit features that seriously upgrade the way you tackle Elementor project. If you already installed RMT Kit, you will get your RMT Kit in Elements page when you try to edit your Elementor project. First, you need to scroll it down, and you can find the RTMKit General Accordion, and then you drag and drop it, and then you can edit it accordion as you want. You can add more content in here, and there is show index in here. You can change it as you want. And then second, you will need to scroll down. First, there will be advanced heading. You need to drag and drop advanced heading. In here, you can edit it also in here. You can add HTML tag h1 and add link in here, and you can change the background text as well, and you can edit whatever you want in this box. And the third, you need to scroll down again. There is animated heading. You need to drag and drop animated heading. You can change content in here for style, rotating, highlight or animation, slide down, and duration, and you can change what is the insider of the text, and you can put a link inside. And fourth, you need to scroll down again. There is a back to top in RTMKit General. You can change style of the icon, text only, a progress indicator, or you can change your icon with your own icon that you designed by yourself. And then there is setting in here, hide or scroll button. 5, there is bar and chart. You need to drag and drop in here, and you can edit it how bar and chart that specifically like what you needed. You can edit the data, label, and here, and you can edit it and delete it as long as you want. What do you want to make it? You can edit content here, and after bar chart, you can edit the Blockquote. There is a Blockquote also. Here for the content, you can edit the layout, HTML tag, and you can edit the text inside, and you can edit the icon also. And after Blockquote, there is post grid. This post grid, you can edit the layout, how much per row. For example, you need 4, edit 3. Here you can edit the query, a metadata. For the icon, edit more button. There is style as well. You can edit it. And after that, card carousel. You need drag and drop, and then there is content style, overlay, HTML tag, show subheading, and you can edit it, the content itself, what is inside it, and you can put image as well and links. And for the button, you can edit it, the icon of the button as well, and navigation, edit it, you can change the icon itself. And then after that, client grid. For the client grid, you can make how much, maximum 11 client grid, and you can put your information in here. For the image, house image hover as well, and you can put link inside. And after that, need to scroll down. After that, there is countdown. This countdown is good for your website if you want to launch something and you need something to count down, like this one. You can change style, show title, show separator, and here's the name, and here's the date if you want to change. H1, time control here, and expire action. And yeah, here's the thing, RMT Kit, download for your project immediately. See you soon. Peace.